Hi there, and welcome at Smully Art. This video is another episode where I draw Star Wars characters in my own style. I already drew Obi-Wan Kenobi, Luke Skywalker and Darth Vader. You can check them out here in the playlist. And for this video I thought it was a fun idea to draw none other than the captain of the Millennium Falcon, and that is Han Solo. Well, that sounds like a fun idea, so let's turn around the camera and let's start drawing. Han Solo is a fictional character in the Star Wars franchise created by George Lucas. The character first appeared in the 1977 film Star Wars and was portrayed by Harrison Ford, who reprised his role in The Empire Strikes Back and Return of the Jedi. Ford returned to the role for The Force Awakens, as well as a brief cameo in The Rise of Skywalker. In the spin-off film Solo, a younger version of the character is portrayed by Alden Ehrenreich. Okay, the rough sketch is done, time to break out some pencils to finish these lines and to add more details. Han Solo is introduced as a smuggler working for Jabba the Hutt and was initially hired by Luke Skywalker and Obi-Wan Kenobi to fly them to Alderaan. Prior to this, Han was an orphan from Corellia who became best friends with the Wookiee Chewbacca. He decides to join the cause after helping Luke Skywalker destroy the Death Star. Since then, he became a captain in the Alliance to restore the Republic and one of Luke Skywalker's best friends. Throughout the trilogy, Han and Leia gradually fall in love with each other. In Star Wars The Force Awakens, he is married to Leia and has a son with her named Ben, who turned to the dark side and became Kylo Ren. Han becomes a mentor figure to Finn and Rey, but is killed when he is attempting to redeem his son. And guys, are there some other Star Wars characters you would like me to draw? Let me know in the comment section. And now that the pencils are done, it's time to kick this drawing into the last phase, and that is inking time. Here we go. Well, that's it for this week's video. I hope you guys like my drawing of Han Solo, and tell me guys, are there some other Star Wars characters you would like me to draw as well? Let me know in the comment section. And if you liked the video guys, why not hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I put out new videos. It's every Friday, a great way to start the weekend. And if you want to help me and this channel even more, please share this content on all your social media platforms, it would help a lot. I wish you all a great weekend, my friends. We will see each other again next Friday. Bye!